Hello, my name is Ben Mengden. I work with HOK. I'm out of the Houston office. I'm going to be talking a little bit about sort of our beginning way at integrating GIS into our design process and so some of our unique workflows. So HOK has 25 offices, 1,800 employees. We do a variety of different kinds of projects, from architecture to engineering to planning and a variety of different buildings and as part of architecture. The group that I'm with is consulting. This is one of the projects we worked on, or the team worked on. This is Kaust. It's in north of Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, several hundred acres, scores of buildings, different building types. Here in this one case, this was a university and technology. This is more my home. This is more of what I'm asked to look into. This is a typical industrial site. We come in and look at their occupied buildings. They have a portfolio of buildings that they may need help with. They have unique concerns, and so we come and help companies be able to make those decisions. We do change management and benchmarking studies, but specifically I work mostly with strategic facility planning and master planning. My boss, Steve Parshall, Senior VP at HOK, is instrumental in developing this process and writing this book. We look at goals and facts, concepts and needs of our clients and the end users to figure out what the problem is. Sort of we're seeking the problem that design is trying to solve. And we do this through a unique process looking at function, form, economy, and time. And things like filling out these 8 by 10 cards, and drawing on pieces of maps over. It's very tactile and interactive and over long periods of time. So these are some of the examples of the cards. We try to capture the essence of what the client may need or want, or what are the parameters of the project, or what are the unique things about the site. And this process is one that works for a variety of different kinds of projects. So this is a campus, this is a laboratory, and so it's well suited for versatility. And this is just one component of it, but all of this to come to that problem that we're trying to solve, actually, or sets of problems that we're trying to solve. And then we have used some GIS information in the past, but I was specifically brought on to help to bolster that. And you can see here in this image just all of the different interaction that maybe it's those cards, maybe it's these maps, maybe it's questionnaires, maybe it's them sending us information from the site, like a CAD document or whatnot. And then we're trying to take GIS to have that sort of conversation back and forth and begin to deepen the analysis as well as the visualization of the process and the result to get at better design decisions. And we're going to look at access and circulation, or maybe we're looking at restricted zones or safety issues, or these sites are really unique in that they have lots of complex problems, and maybe they're trying to get this one group to work next to this other group, and so the building's in the wrong spot. Often what they have is just CAD documents, and it's just, that's how they do their business. And so this becomes something that I can take and I begin to do my investigation, then bringing in the information that we had captured during these workshops and during emails and such. Maybe I'll take the CAD and I'll give it attribute information. I'll translate it into GIS by georeferencing it, or just pulling out certain elements, and then giving it attribute information so it becomes more of a intelligent. And from that, maybe we'll need to digitize information or create, edit new information, whether that be like here, just a existing building footprint, or whether that be lay down area where they need to put stuff on the ground. And so that's less of a something you're going to find on an aerial photograph. We come up with a pretty decent list of layers that then becomes the framework for this deeper analysis. And it also becomes really a way that we can begin to internally scroll around the site and begin to try out and test things. Here's like a 5-minute walk radii, and what if we did this? What if we put a building here? What's going to be the result? What if we put a new road in here? I need to know the length of that road because I need to estimate cost, and then be able to play that back to the client and see if that's something that is needed. My team works a lot in Excel, and not many of them have any GIS experience at all. So what we do is we work in Excel, and then the idea is that we'll take that information, we'll be able to attach it to the GIS model and make it, again, stronger and more meaningful. We got a lot of potential about where we want to take this, and you've seen some amazing things with others that are doing some really great work. And this is just a smattering of whether we take this into 3D, we begin to use it as a visualization tool, interactive tool. Maybe it'd be wonderful for us to be able to interactively work on this with clients and stuff. That's what I have. Thank you very much.
Thank you.